I had previously talked about deadheading my petunias. That's when you take the spent blooms that look like this and you take them off, so that encourages the plant to produce more flowers. Here's one up close, you can see what it looks like. If these stay on the plant will put all its energy into turning these into seed pods. So I wanted to run an experiment where I did that on purpose. So that way I could collect the seeds and possibly germinate children from these plants. I think that would be a really cool experiment to see what they would come out looking like. Since these were originally supposed to be orange and they came out blue, I wonder what the children would look like. So I left one on one plant, and then eventually it turned into this little pumpkin-like seed pod. You're supposed to wait until they are a brownish tan color and they're dry to the touch. This one looks like it's about ready. It's the right color and consistency, and these little leaf things on the side here originally were kind of like hugging it, and now they're falling away from it. So I'm gonna assume that means it's ready, and I'm gonna attempt to harvest the seeds. I'm gonna very carefully cut the base of the seed pod off of the plant. I'm gonna bring it over to this paper plate because I don't want the seeds to spill out everywhere. I'm not sure how big they're gonna be. Oh wow, these are much bigger than I thought they would be. Once you collect your seeds, you're going to want to store them in a cool, dry place until you're ready to germinate them. So I have this sandwich bag here. I'm gonna put them in the sandwich bag. I'm going to keep them in a cabinet so that they stay cool and dry. And then eventually I'm going to germinate them, and I'm going to find out what the next generation of my plants look like. Woo! Until next time.